Good morning, children. In the last class, we have done 1, 2, 3 sums in workbook. Today, let us do the fourth question. Okay, children. Today, let us do the fourth question in page number 52 workbook. Find the LCM of the following. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization. Prime factorization method. Find the LCM of the following by prime factorization method. A question. 25, 40 and 75. So first we have to prime factorize the following numbers, and then we have to find out the common factors and uncommon factors and multiply them to find the LCM. Okay, children. First let us prime factorize 25. Let us take 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Now let us factorize 40. So let us take 2 table. 2 goes in 40 20 times. 2 goes in 20 10 times. 2 goes in 10 5 times. Now let us factorize 75. Let us take 5 table. 5 goes in 17 15 times. 5 goes in 15 3 times. So 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. We have factorized 25, 40 and 75 and have written the prime factors of these numbers. Now let us find out the common factors. So 5 is in all the numbers. 5 is in all the numbers. And also 5 is in 25 and 75. 5 is in all the numbers and 5 is in 25 and 75. So these are the common factors. Now let us write down the LCM. For writing the LCM, we have to multiply the common factors into uncommon factors. Uncommon factors. I am writing it in the short form. Uncommon factors. We have to multiply the common factors with uncommon factors. Here the common factors are 5 into 5. Here the common factors are 5 into 5 into the uncommon factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Common factors means the numbers which we have underlined. So we have underlined 5 in all the numbers and we have underlined 5 in 2 numbers. So these are the common factors. Uncommon factors means the numbers which are left out. Here 2, 2, 2. 3 2s are left out and here 1, 3 is left out. So these are the uncommon factors. Now we have to multiply them. 5 5s are 25 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 25 into 24 is equals to 600. 25 into 24 is equals to 600. Okay, children. This is the way of finding the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, let us do the B sum. Let us do the B sum. So first we have to prime factorize. After prime factorization, we have to find out the common factors and uncommon factors, and then we have to multiply them to find out the LCM. Let us do the B sum. 50, 60 and 75. First let us find out the prime factors for 15. 5 3s are 15. Let us prime factorize 60. Okay children, 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 75, 5 15s are 75, 5 3s are 50. So let us find out the common factors. So 15 is equals to 5 into 3. 16 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 75 is equal to 5 into 3. For finding the LCM, we have to multiply the common factors with non-common factors. Here, the common factor is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is in all the numbers. So, it is the common factor. The uncommon factors are 2 into 5. Here 2 and 2 are left over. Here 5 is left over. So these are the uncommon factors. Now we have to multiply them. Okay children, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 into 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Okay children, 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 15 20s are 300. 15 20s are 300. Okay children. Now let us do the fifth question. Now let us do the fifth question. So find the LCM of the following by short division method. Find the LCM of the following. Find the LCM of the following by short division method. Short division method. Now we have to find the LCM using the short division method. Okay children, let us do the sum. 192 and 320. 192 and 320. Short division method means you have to find out the division. You have to do the division for both the numbers at a time. You have to do the division for both the numbers at a time. Okay children. So let us take two tables. 2 goes in 19 9 times and in 12 6 times. 2 goes in 320 160 times. 2 goes in 96 48 times. 2 goes in 16 80 times. 160 80 times. 2 goes in 48 24 times. 2 goes in 80 40 times. 2 goes in 24 12 times. 2 goes in 40 20 times. 2 goes in 12 6 times. 2 goes in 20 10 times. 2 goes in 6 3 times. 2 goes in 10 5 times. So LCM of 192 and 320 is, so you have to multiply all these numbers. 2 into, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 2's. 2 3 4 5 6 2's into 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay children, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 2's are 64, 64 3's are 3 4's are 12, 3 6's are 18 plus 1 19 into 5, 5 2's are 10, 5 9's are 45 plus 1 46, 5 1's are 5 plus 4 9, that is equals to 960. Okay children, so 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 3s are 192, 192 5s are 960. So this is the short division method for finding the LCM. Now let us do the D sum. Okay children. Now let us do the D sum. So let us do the B sum. Now we have to find out the LCM for 390, 520 and 650. Okay children, by using short division method. 390, 520, 650. So all these are even numbers. So let us take 2. 2 goes in 390, 195 times. 2 goes in 520, 260 times. 2 goes in 650, 325 times. Children, if you don't know, you can divide the number with 2 and write the answer. I will show you one for you. 390 divided by 2. 2 goes in 3 one time. Bring down 9. 2 goes in 19 9 times. Bring down 0. 2 goes in 10 5 times. So if you don't know how many times 2 goes, you can divide and find out. Okay children? If you don't know how many times 2 goes in 390, you can divide and find it out. Okay children? Now let us take the 5 table. 5 goes in 195 39 times. 5 goes in 260 52 times. 5 goes in 325 65 times. Now let us take 13 table. All these numbers will be in 13 table. So 13 goes in 39 3 times. 13 goes in 52 4 times. 13 goes in 65 5 times. Now let us multiply all these numbers. LCM of 390, 520 and 650 is equals to 2 into 5 into 13 into 3 into 4 into 5. So that is equals to 7,800. So when you multiply all these numbers, we will get the answer 7,800. So the LCM of these numbers is 7,800. Okay children. Now let us do the sixth question. Let us do the sixth question. Okay children. Let us do the sixth question. So what is the sixth question? Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Now we have to find out the HCF using the prime factorization method. Okay children, I am doing the A sum. 18 and 28. 18 and 28. First we have to prime factorize 18. Let us take 2 table. 2 goes in 18 9 times. 3 goes in 9 3 times. Now let us prime factorize 28. 2 table. 2 goes in 28 14 times. 2 goes in 14 7 times. Now let us write down the factors. 2 into 3 into 3. 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. For finding the HCF, we have to find out the common factors. So common factors is equal to common factors. Here the common factor is only 2. Here the common factor is only 2. So HCF is 2. So for finding the HCF, we have to multiply the common factors. For that, first you have to find out the common factors and then you have to multiply. Here there is only one common factor, so no need of multiplying. Okay children, now let us do the second sum, that is B sum. 82 and 98. 82 and 98. 82. It is an even number, so let us take 2 table. 2 goes in 8 4 times. 2 goes into 1 time. Okay children, let us prime factorize 98. Let us take 2 table. 2 goes in 9 4 times and 2 goes in 18 9 times. So let us take the 7 table. 7 goes in 49 7 times. Okay children. 82 is equal to 2 into 41. 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7. Here the common factors. Let us find out the common factors. Here only 2 is the common factor. So HCF is also 2. So we have to find out the common factors and multiply. Here there is only one common factor. So the HCF will be 2. Okay children. Let us do the C sum. Let us do the C sum. $15, $25 and $75. Let us try and factorize 15. 3 5s are 15. 25. 5 5s are 25. 75. 5 15s are 75. 5 3s are 50. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 25 is equal to 5 into 5. 75 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3. Here common factors. Here the common factors are 5. Only 5. Here the common factor is only 5. So HCF is also equal to 5. Okay children. In the 6th sum you do the D, E, F sums for homework. In the 6th sum you do the D, E and F sums for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.